The required age for the grant of waiver of age requirement for initial appointment in the PNP is A. Not below 25 nor over 35 years of age. B. Not below 20 nor over 35 years of age. C. Less than 25 but not more than 32 years of age. D. More than 22 but less than 32 years of age. Answer B. Not below 20 nor over 35 years of age. Anybody who will enter the PNP service without a baccalaureate degree shall be given a maximum period of how many years to comply with the education qualification? A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 6 years. Answer B. 4 years. Under RA 8551, any PNP personnel who have not been promoted for a continuous service shall be retired or separated if the said period of non-promotion gained within A. 20 years, B. 10 years, C. 18 months, D. None of this. Answer B. 10 years. The power to direct or oversee the day-to-day functions of police investigation of crime, crime prevention activities, and traffic control in accordance with the rules and regulations promulgated by the Commission is A. Employment, B. Planning, C. Operational supervision, D. Deployment. Answer C. Operational supervision. Governors and mayors, upon having been elected and having qualified as such, are automatically deputized as representatives of the A. NAPOLCOM, B. DND, C. PLEB, D. DDB. Answer A. NAPOLCOM. As a police officer, he or she should live a decent and virtuous life to serve as an example to others. This statement is part of A. PNP Code of Covenant, B. Policeman's Code, C. Police Officer's Pledge, D. None of the above. Answer C. Police Officer's Pledge. A private security agency shall not employ more than how many private security professionals? A. 1,000, B. 2,000, C. 3,000, D. 4,000. Answer B. 2,000. A person can escape from the scene of the accident on one of the following grounds. A. Offense committed is serious. B. Bringing the person to your custody. C. Bring the suspect before the court to answer a charge or violation. D. If the person is under imminent danger. Answer D. If the person is under imminent danger. In arresting the traffic violator or when it involves arrest due to traffic violation, the following procedures are followed except A. Bring the suspended person before the court. B. Detention of the arrested person may take place. C. Arrest can be effected even without a warrant. D. Impose the probable penalty that might be imposed. Answer D. Impose the probable penalty that might be imposed. A single uninterrupted line of authority often represented by boxes, lines of organizational chart, should run in order by rank from top command to the level of the organization. A. Organizational control. B. Scalar chain. C. Administrative control. D. Span of control. Answer B. Scalar chain.